Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for joining me for my, wait, what? Wednesday tip video. So tonight I had a stamp club. I had my technique club tonight actually. And we were all sitting around the table visiting and laughing like we always do. And I asked them, hey you guys, I need a tip video for tomorrow. What you got? And boy, did they come through for me. So it took a little bit, but several of them said they loved the tip that I shared about the dies tonight at Stamp Club. So I said, really? And they said, yeah, that would make a great tip video. So I'm going to show you my little tip about the dies. Let's flip the camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, these are the gathered leaves dies. Leaves or leaf? Leaves, gathered leaves dies. I've been using these a lot. You guys have seen a lot of projects made with these. There are 3 dies in this pack that die cut and emboss at the same time, and I love these ones. So I'm going to bring in some of our gold foil paper and my Big Shot. I want to make sure I'm in here good. I guess it doesn't matter so much for the embossing. One of the things that you'll notice about these dies is there are no holes to poke the cardstock out. So sometimes you're wondering like, okay, how am I supposed to get the cardstock out? Now I've seen several different tips. One of my team members takes and puts a piece of tape on here first so that once the cardstock is in there, you can pull the tape up and it'll come out. But I haven't had any issues doing it this way. So I'm just going to take my leaves and I'm going to die cut them on the foil paper. You can die cut them out of anything you want. Run this through my Big Shot. Now remember, when you're using a Big Shot, there's more pressure on either side of the machine. The rollers for a Big Shot are on the outsides. So if you have dies, rather than put them right in the middle of your Big Shot, you want to put them more towards the outside edges so they get more pressure. And that's just a general tip. Let me get this out of the way. Now, these cut out very nicely, okay? And for the first few that I did, as soon as I popped them out, they just fell right out of the die. But there's no holes to poke this paper out. And there's no room around the edges, so like how do you get it out of here? What I found is you just simply drop your die and voila, they come right out. Let's try it again. And sometimes you have to do it a couple times. This one's gonna be oh, there we go. I was gonna say this one's gonna be just a little bit stubborn. There's the other one. Whoops. There we go. Boom, all 3 of them. So that's definitely a wait, what? Tip, right? Yeah, it's just that simple. You don't have to poke a tool in here and mess up the edge of your die cut leaves. You know how that happens. We've all been there, right? Just pick them up, drop them, bam, there's your leaves. I hope this has been helpful for you. You'll find all kinds of great ideas on my blog. The address is right here. You can click right up here to head over there now. I have pages and pages and pages of videos and projects and tutorials and all kinds of great stuff. And if there's anything from Stampin' Up that you would like to order, please use this host code. If your order's under $150, if your order's over $150, don't use the code. Stampin' Up is going to give you some rewards, and I definitely want you to have those. And once again, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Don't forget to click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything coming out. Bye-bye.